JB. Hey, baby. Video. Man. Jazi tia prayer center re. Hindi ka walk kuri na jai re mi khandu. Bishi adventurous jagah ase. Jaga bishi sundur ase de. Inega walk kuri na jase mi khan. Oh, man inega jase itu rasta ase. This is the way. Baby jase prayer center. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord Christ. Man, sundur jagah ase. Oh, and that is the prayer center. Makan bara jai thakela jagah ita ase prayer center ni. Hope prayer center. It was the farms kan orange farm. Ne orange laga siniga ase. Rosoma village to hoise gule to Orange festival thake takhan every year in the month of January aro takhan bishi bhal bra idhan bigri guri na takhan income bi kuri thake. Finally mohan punchi she ito ase man Hope prayer centers yede fasting boha manohan ere thake ito ase Hope prayer center Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11. For the plans, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you, not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. That's it. And this is the church. The church, I say. Alright, I say this in a church. Laga bitode nigase. She sundur jaga. Oh, kiddo. It was a church laga surrounding. The kitchens can. Our prayer, our volunteers can tare. Is that again? Say room can do. Niga man bal jaga niga. Banana se. Hey, I stay. Yeah. Banana se. Ito mahal laga. Kutahan aro niga kan. Kitchen de ne khas de to malna kitchen khanas are de meda medas de to ini gas de ini ka ekdam pahar te bra ini ka gor banai na ase ini gor khan ini bana ase do kitchen ase aro do sceneries kan man sundur jaga ase apne ambi Fight adventure kurubole asukli tu bishi bahal jaga ekta ase de mitha bara baris gire ase prachana khushi pa manohan da hegere etu jaga de ekdam shanti bara prachana kurubo paribo de